Hey gorgeous girls, it's still summer, and guess what? I'm still looking for the perfect self-tan. Is this gonna be it? Keep watching and let's find out. My name is Eddie Christine and welcome back to my channel. Or if this is your first time watching, welcome. If you love activewear hauls, fashion, beauty, and fitness, you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Oh, and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. It has been a long minute since my last video and you are looking right at the reason. Well, yes, it is me, but mostly it's this. I have been in the process of lightening my hair for summer and I've been taking it super slow because as much as I want lighter hair, I really just want my hair more. So far, so good. I'm not there yet, as you can see, with my color, but I think another week and I should be able to wrap up that video too and share my little hair lightening adventure with you. And you know what? I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty terrifying, but I think, well, I hope it's gonna turn out okay. We'll see in about a week. This time I'm going to be reviewing an OG favorite self-tanner, Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in Dark. Now it says it gives you a natural olive color, so I would imagine it'd be similar to Cocoa and Eve. I'm going to be keeping this video pretty short, mostly a before and after. Please watch my Cocoa and Eve review for lots of awesome how-to application tips. I'm going to link my Cocoa and Eve review down below in the description as well as above. This tanner doesn't contain any parabens or alcohol and it's made in Australia. And it's supposed to smell super good. So let's see. This says, made by tan lovers for tan lovers, Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse gives you a natural looking, sexy tan within minutes. The salon-inspired formula provides you with an immediate color while developing into a deeper, darker tan, which can be washed off within 2 hours. The Color Guard technology ensures easy, streak-free application every time that's quick drying and not just fragrant, but deliciously fragrant. So let's see. The directions tell you to apply moisturizer liberally in any super dry areas like your elbows, wrists, hands, knees, and ankles, as per usual when you're self-tanning. I really love this Palmer's coconut oil formula. It's super thick and creamy and goes on really nice. I'll link everything I use in the description. Oh, and some of the links may be affiliate links and I will receive a small commission if you click on them and purchase something from them. And if you do, thank you so much. I mean, I really, really appreciate it. It helps me so much in being able to continue to make videos. But even if you don't, thank you for watching the video. I'll be using my favorite mitt, the Tan Mitt. This is such a super nice quality, affordable mitt. I think it's about $5.99. I'll have that link below as well. And it's made out of a nice thick velour material instead of that horrible thin foam that just slips off your hand, makes a mess, and then tears. I'll also be using an anonymous kabuki brush, which I'll also link below, for my hands between my fingers, feet, and face. For real, if you don't have a kabuki brush for your self-tanning, you need to get one. So I'm going to apply the Loving Tan and I'll see you in 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Wow. I mean, just wow. I guess the hype is real. Super expensive or not, I mean, just look at this color. For everyday, I don't usually put self-tanner on my face, but for reviews, I usually do, just so you guys can see how it looks in case you like putting self-tanner on your face. And look, I don't have any foundation on, so you guys can see what it truly looks like. And with all of my freckles, I think it'll give you a good idea of just how nicely it went on, freckles and all. If this is what my tan looks like in a couple of hours, I just can't wait to see what it looks like tomorrow. Now to something else that's really important. How did it smell? Well, I'll have to say I didn't think it was deliciously fragrant like the label says, but it didn't smell bad at all. As far as color transfer, I know this isn't a true test since it's only been a couple of hours, but I haven't noticed it on any of my clothes. The next important question is it worth it? Because we all know Loving Tan is not cheap. I bought the smaller size, which is 4 ounces, and it still cost $42. I mean, that's so much. If you buy the large size, which is 6.7 ounces, get ready for it, $60. So is it worth it? Well, I mean, I do love the color. The color is just beautiful, and it's not orange at all on me. As far as the color, the 2-Hour Express Tan comes only in one shade, which is dark. It says olive on the label, but it's much less olive than Cocoa and Eve. And while I loved Cocoa and Eve, I honestly have to say I think I love Loving Tan better. Honestly, I think it's the most natural looking color I've had yet from a self-tanner. And it's actually dark, but not that crazy over tan dark. So if you feel like splurging on yourself just a little, and if you're able to, I totally recommend Loving Tan, even at $42 or $60. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you decide on a self-tanner. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, or any recommendations on products I should try. Oh, and let me know about any experiences you had with Loving Tan. I hope you have a gorgeous day, and I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully, my hair video. Bye. See you next week.